So today we have here Ms. Pradnya, who is certified career counselor at Infogon Futures, and she's going to share some of her insights regarding how she landed into career counseling and how was her experience with us.
First of all, very good evening to Shreya ma'am, and thanks to Inspigin Futures who have given me a chance to become a career counselor. Basically, I am in education field since last 15 plus years. So as a teacher, I used to be in connect with the kids, and I am playing the role of guide or mentor path we can show to the kids. Then somewhere in these 15 years, I felt somewhere like kids need guidance to choose their right path and someone the right person who can help them to get into their interest, and that career would be helpful in their interest creating path. So while social media I was being under Instagram, I found Infigan Future. From there I have enrolled myself for the career counselor program, and now I have become a certified career counselor. So motivation in that case, I must say that many of our parents, they are willingly send their kids to become an engineer or a doctor. Apart from this, now also being an educated parents, they are not ready to see the options available in the market, and they have a lot of scope that the child can do it as per the interest and the skills. So while going through being connect with the kids, I strongly felt somewhere that kids are totally dependent to choose their career on their parents. Whatever parents will say, they will do it. And somewhere interest skills are lacking, and just a kind of race they are running because parents said to become a doctor and an engineer.
That's true.
And that was the point where I felt that they need guidance, and career counselor is the right program for me where I can guide the kids to select their proper or the right career path. So I have decided to go ahead with it. Right. Key features as in the being student is always confused to go whether, because somewhere some days the child feels I want to become a doctor, I want to become engineer and architecture and so many things. But in this careers, they don't know what to do and go ahead. If I have to become an engineer, which kind of engineer I have to become, what kind of degrees are required, am I able to pay the finances or those things. Guiding them, it's always being counselor, I should have all the ideas into that the child can get the right path. So
That's
these
true.
are the key features like roadmap, qualification, and market scope to choose the right career path. Mr. Omkar Patil's video was there regarding career counselor. From there, I just have contact to the people who have guided me what the course actually offers and how this course will help me. So they have good, what I can say, that USPs where I got convinced to go ahead with the Infigan Futures. They said that they will help us to guide how to go ahead with the first startup with your business. What is the scope of career counselor in the upcoming days, and how this will help the future generation to create choose their right path. Training program most valuable is like when and wherever we need the help, the trainers were available. If they are not available, they have the Infigan Future have one more important feature which is raise ticket. So
Mhm.
if we couldn't reach out, they are we can raise ticket and we can reach out with our doubts. And yeah, the queries has been resolved within 24 to 48 hours. Yes, the main and important thing here it is being into business first time, the entrepreneur journey first time. We are unable to know how to get into the website and reach out to the more of the crowd. This Infigan Future helped me to build up my website, logo, and all the hand holding to reach how to grow the business. So this is how they have helped me for the technical support to grow the business. Yeah, Infigan have one. As soon as I enrolled myself into Infigan, they asked us to give the business name and logo to develop the website. They have developed my website, and they have delivered all these details to all the logo and development. What features required to take the inquiries of the kids, like how to enroll, onboard the students, how to book the schedule, and how to confirm and update the meetings. So all these things have been guided by the Infigan Future, and right now I am able to go ahead with the onboarding students. As I said, the parents probably they are with their own mindset that if the other children are doing, I mean, they are preparing themselves for doctor or engineers, they are also pressure their kids to become a doctor or an engineer. And they don't even feel that we have to consider the child's perspective, where child is willingly to do for, or the skills where the child can go ahead with that skills to make some amazing career. So I
Okay.
am actually dealing with such kind of parents who are forcing their opinion to the children. The basic thing, like when we take the sessions, we should have both the parents when the child is taking the counseling sessions. So while taking counseling as a counselor, when I am going to give some advices, those are totally dependent on the child's background and what child is willingly to go for three options. Like there must be some options that child is confused to go ahead with that. Sometimes child wants to go with science stream or commerce stream or become a CA or anything. But when we go into the depth of qualification, the subjects and the areas to work hard for particular way, then the child gets the clarity about what the child has interest into. And when the parents are sitting beside, parents are all to get aware about it. Yes, these are all the things we have to go ahead or they have to explore. I think awareness is the most important thing where the parents can get it from this counseling sessions. And this counseling will totally help the child to choose the career path which are actually available apart from doctor and becoming an engineer. Yeah, so if parents wants to reach out, I have my website named Career Navigator. So they can reach me through the website. Link will be given with the Career Navigator and email ID which is careernavigator10 at the rate gmail.com.